Do you struggle with keeping your work desk organized? Does the chaos of your workspace impact productivity? No need to worry any longer. Today, we're diving into the world of desk organization, providing a step-by-step guide to create a tidy, efficient work environment right at home. Imagine a workspace that not only encourages productivity but also sparks joy. Having a well-organized desk is not just about aesthetics. It's about creating a space that optimizes focus and fosters creativity. Step 1. Clear the clutter. Remove everything from your desk. Yes, everything. It's much easier to create an organized space when starting from a clean slate. Step 2. Prioritize. Identify the items you use daily. These are the things that deserve a spot on your desk. Everything else can be stored away. Remember, less is more. Step 3. Organize. Use desk organizers, trays, and holders to keep your items in place. Even simple household items like mason jars or shoeboxes can serve as handy organizers. Step 4. Create zones. Dedicate specific areas on your desk for different tasks. For instance, a zone for computer work, a zone for non-digital tasks like note-taking or reading, and a zone for personal items. Step 5. Manage those pesky cables. Use cable clips and ties to keep them under control. A clean, wire-free desk not only looks good, but also makes it easier to work. Step 6. Maintain. Make it a habit to clean your desk at the end of each day. A few minutes spent tidying up can ensure you start the next day on a positive note. So, to summarize, a well-organized desk can be achieved in 6 simple steps. Clear the clutter, prioritize, organize, create zones, manage cables, and maintain. Remember, the goal is not perfection, but efficiency. An organized desk reduces distractions, helps you focus, and ultimately boosts productivity. It's about creating a space that works for you. In the end, your workspace is a reflection of your mind. A clutter-free desk leads to a clutter-free mind. So take the first step toward an organized, efficient workspace today. We hope this guide inspires you to transform your workspace into a place of calm and productivity. After all, a tidy desk is a tidy mind. So here's to a more organized, productive, and fulfilling work-from-home journey. Happy organizing!